Time passes, the world changes, but the human heart remains the same, always searching for truth, love, and meaning. But where can they truly be found? Will it follow the wisdom of this world that wander in darkness? Or will it dare to seek the light of truth that leads to the fullness of life? Have you ever wondered why your heart longs for something greater, something the world cannot give? Why settle for an average life when we are created for fullness? True freedom is not doing whatever we want, but living in the truth. The wisdom of this world say, God is not needed, but a man who loses God also loses himself. A society that rejects God ultimately rejects man as well. He who trusts in himself is lost. He who trusts in God can do all things. Jesus Christ is the same yesterday, today, and forever. True freedom is not doing whatever we want, but doing what is right. Do not follow the wandering crowd. Follow the truth that sets you free. Faith is not against reason. It enlightens and leads it to truth. Do not be afraid to go against the tide. A Christian is not called to conform to the world, but to transform it. Dear young people, truth is not lost. Love has not disappeared. The light still shines. Do not be afraid. You are not alone. God is calling you to something greater, to a fullness of life that never fades. This is your moment. Answer the call. Find meaning. Find Christ. Find life. Come and see. Come without expectations, but with open heart. Be open for Christ's love. Be open for Jesus' merciful look upon you. Be open for Jesus' blessing. He takes nothing from you, but gives you everything. Join us for this unforgettable encounter. We are looking forward to seeing you at the 11th gathering of Croatian Catholic Youth of North America in New York.